everybody, my name is Leslie Ware, also known as the Creative Cookie. Today I have a very special project for you from my latest book, which is called How to Be a Fashion Designer. The project is called ice dyeing. We are going to take some ice cubes, an old t-shirt, and some fabric dye and totally change the shirt into something new. The first thing you are going to need is your t-shirt, some plastic gloves, rubber bands, a little bit of water, a draining rack, and fabric dye, a plastic bucket. I'm actually putting on an apron to protect myself. You're going to set this up, put your rack on top of your plastic bucket. Take our shirt, scrunch it, and then you don't have to use rubber bands, but I think it turns out nicer. So we're gonna place it on top of the rack, pour some water. You wanna cover the shirt with as many ice cubes as you can. Sprinkle the dye onto the ice cube. I'm going to use 3. So I have purple, brown, and then like a yellow. So the next thing you're going to do after you get all of your dye on the ice, you're just gonna leave it to melt. So this is probably gonna take about 3 or 4 hours. Just rinse with the rubber bands on using cold water till the water runs clear. After, you can remove the rubber bands and then rinse it again. Put it in the washing machine by itself. Give it a wash and you're ready to wear.